up, guys? We're back. We're back, and we're at the airplane museum. Look at this thing. That is one big freaking airplane. Look at this thing. Yeah, it's on.
Look at it, man. That's huge.
Look at this thing. Whoa. Okay.
It's silent.
Okay. So we're about to go inside, and there's like some people under it over there, and there's two cars. I don't know what they're doing there. I guess it's just some tour. Yeah, some tour cars or something. Tour, not toy, tour. And then there's some planes over there. There's two planes over there.
That's not ours.
And
Hey, where was that gate up on the gate came down right before it
and
no sooner than you moved and we went up, girl.
we have a crazy family.
I was like, yeah.
No horn, no nothing.
Hey, all I said was they beating on the top of your car. I'm not the baby. I gotta.
If y'all hear them, then y'all might be amazed because I'm never like that. Except that was like in my second or third video that I was crazy. But yeah. We're at the airplane museum. This is my first vacation vlog. And yeah.
I made a vlog, but I haven't edited it yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit this. And I haven't edited on my phone.
Well, I thought you edited, like, connected it to your computer. And
I don't have a computer.
Dang, you used to have a computer?
Yeah, but it crashed. The screen inside of it broke. Like, the glass didn't break. The screen inside of it broke. It was like a virus.
Well, you heard Cherie. We busted that Cherie. You see Cherie almost got us killed.
You always. Hey, RJ, you say hey to my guys. Hey, bro,
you nasty.
I told you my family is crazy. I mean, I can't even control them.
Nobody want to play with me,
He looks so lonely over there. Look at him. What's up?
I said, God ain't ready for her. I said, no, you stay down here for a little while.
Okay.
Well, we headed off too.
Yeah.
Take a picture. Y'all want me to take a picture with your phone?
Actually, he's doing the vlog.
Actually, I need to
We should probably get out the road now.
guys, I'm about to fall back. Guys, I'm about to fall
Stay out there, okay? Get up there.
Oh, that's a cousin.
Downstairs there.
Okay, so I just took some pictures. Come on, Jamari. Come on, brother. I just need to rub my hand across the top of your head.
You might want to just take off completely.
And it's gonna go fast.
It's gonna go fast. I think my heart's still beating.
Ooh, that was too close.
Yeah,
Can I touch it? Can I touch it?
No, it hit it.
Can I touch it?
Because I just
I touched it, guys.
and when I looked, I was like, oh.
Thank God.
That is amazing. It's. Oh, I was about to say, what is it? What is it?
It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly.
I
love butterflies.
We're under this plane right now.
Look at that group of peaks.
Oh yeah. There's a group of pinks over there, and we gotta run. We gotta run. The planes are coming for us. They're coming for us. The thing is so big. I never thought it would be so big.
Come on, Forrest. Come on, Forrest.
NASA. Oh, never mind.
It's what in the world?
Because NASA is red and blue.
Oh, it feels so good in here.
Double infinity.
Boy, nobody can see you in that picture. It's too dark in here.
A lot of stuff in here. As you can see over here. Can they see it?
Yeah. It's a gift shop. Gift shop.
There's a lot of stuff here, guys. But oh, that's a what? What is that? Look at this, guys. Yeah, we need to stop touching stuff. Let's stop touching stuff.
Man, it's light right there, but it's not regular. Hey. Oh, because it's dark over here. Oh, go, like, turn this. There you go.
There we go. But you dark too.
White. But you darker than me.
I know I am, but
It's right there in the sweat shop.
Boom. You dark.
We can get that on the way out.
I'm milk.
Kit Kat. Echo. 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 This is my cousin. What's your YouTube name again? I know hers.
It's called.
It's Dr. Tame that
called
Main or something.
Anaya Goddess 00
Oh, yeah.
something.
0 something.
It's Tame, Dr. Tame that Main.
Or not.
Yeah. Yep.
I didn't know.
Oh, look at that.
You know what? Let me vlog this too.
Yeah. Look it. Yeah, I'm just taking some pictures here, guys. I mean, and then there's a it's like a mannequin guy.
I can't get on my channel.
Oh. Can't you just go to your YouTube? I mean your camera?
Yeah.
And there's my there it's like a mannequin airplane flyer. That's what they look like in the army. My dad used to be in the army, but
everybody.
he wasn't in the Navy.
It's gonna be like a adventure vlog today. Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm here doing
he's here
a
too.
vlog.
Vlogception.
Yep, look at
Well, that's pretty cool.
Yep. So guys, you see that, and woo, we're getting left. We can't get left behind today, guys.
Oh man.
Whoa, look at all those treasures, guys.
These are all.
These like old milk.
Nope. I'm vlogging too. Hey. We about to. We're getting into the older and older things.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna stay with your dad?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And look at that.
FS604A.
F6. FS
604.
604.
Thunderjet.
Ooh, it's a Thunderjet.
Thunderjet.
F84 Thunderjet.
One of the fastest jets alive.
Successor
One
to
of the
the
fastest.
P-47.
So
U.S. Air Force first post-war fighter. The prototype initial flight was on February 28, 1946. And by the time production ceased in 1953,
guys,
Sorry about this, guys.
I'm gonna let you guys
straight
read
wing
this.
F-84s
Alright, guys, this is back where it's
contract
this.
equipment had been built. And over 4,000.
Hey,
I'm really shaking this thing right here. I ain't touching it no more. I'm shaking it for real. I ain't even doing it with my
go. And here's some toy airplanes. Well, like.
Ooh, look at that one. That one's pretty
No, it's yellow. And this one. The yellow too. This one it is. Look, this one good.
They come in different colors. These are swept.
This one better.
I think which one is probably the fastest?
I think.
Which one is the fastest out of these?
Oh, this one right here.
This one?
Yeah, probably.
That one is.
No. This one right here.
Oh, it's this one that's the fattest.
Yeah.
Fastest
Fastest
out of. It's fastest out of all of them.
Sorry, guys, you can't hear me or anything, so.
Yeah.
Try my best.
And where else fast?
Oh, here's some outfits over here.
Ooh.
Look at these outfits.
Good in that.
Yeah, I would look good in that too. Wait, Aaron, I'm about to show you. It's that, and that right there, and that right there, and
Oh, you can give it one. I'm happy with it.
alright.
What up, nigga? We had went to I went to.
Oh, there's a lady right there. See that lady right there?
And look at that plane.
She was a real person, huh? Right there. There's a real airplane right there. And then there's another real person lady.
That's kind of creepy.
Yeah. Da, 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 da.
Well, you can see it like infinite. Look.
Do, 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 do. Quentin. Look at that. And we're gonna move on to the next outfit. Here we go. Mosley. Dot Mosley. She was the first aide. And now, look at this. I don't know what that is, guys, but, looks a little creepy. For my likings, it looks creepy. And then there's another
Ooh, a
guy.
saxophone.
Did you see that, guy right there? What?
Yeah.
What is that? What's happening with that guy?
Tell me if you can see something in there.
Guys,
I don't know if there's anything in there. Oh, this like a.
what is it?
I don't know what that
What's
is.
in there, guys? It looked like
know
a
what that
badge. It's a badge right there.
Oh, it's a badge? Oh, that's pretty new. I guess he's a blacksmith.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know what he's doing though. I guess it's like protection. I guess that's protection, I guess. And here's like a film, an old
Now, here's
school
a-
film.
Yeah.
I think it was
about,
a real thing.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Always in black and white.
Oh, World War II. It's about World War II. 4 types of
P-51
P-51
missiles commonly flown in
missions.
Hmm?
Missions.
Oh,
Commonly flown
missions
in.
commonly flown in World War II.
Those
Oh
look like
man,
UFOs.
look at all them parachutes.
Yeah. Oh, those are parachutes. Okay.
Hey, Daddy.
Okay, and there's is that a fork? There's like old school forks and spoons right there, and then there's something. So yeah, that's this part. I don't know.
That's a love you.
Black lady.
That's a blacksmith.
Bobby. Got one of us up in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
This was part 1 of my vlog.
Yeah.
I might have three parts or 2. So
I don't think.
Yeah.
I'm probably
I'll see
just
you-
gonna do one part.
I'll see you in my next
Look, somebody on the
part.
airplane.
Yeah.
Somebody on
I
the
guess I'm gonna end my video out too. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
See you in the next one.
Okay,